Hi guys, welcome to IT networking. So Ludum screen error is 0xc000021A. So how to fix? Firstly guys, you go to setting, control panel, and type control panel and uninstall latest update, which one I am telling you. Then click to uninstall KB5012. KB50212233, this one. So I already uninstalled now. If you showing here, so please select and uninstall. Which one? KB50212233. Okay. Then close it. Next solutions. Guys, again click to start button. Type CMD. Right click to run as administrator. Then yes. So guys, I have a command. This one. Actually, this is for command to repair and restore to corrupted file and some uninstall to update as. Okay, so first one this try, then second try, then fourth try. Okay, one by one you can enter it. So right click copy and then enter, and please wait few minutes now. Percentage type to start and wing and finish, then try to second one, then third, and then fourth. Okay, next solutions. Then next solutions guys, click to again start button, type CMD, then again right click to run as administrator, then yes, type chkdsk space /f/r, then enter, then yes, y for yes, and then restart your system. 100% solve your problem. Okay, thank you, take care.